Are you looking to keep your Facebook posts private? In this video, I'll show you how to set all of your posts to only me, so that only you can see them. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile application and then tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down until you see a section called Audience and Visibility. So now what you want to do next is tap where it says Profile and Tagging. And then under Tagging, there is an option called Who can see posts you're tagged in on your profile? Just tap on it. After that, tap where it says More. And simply select Only Me. And now all of your Facebook posts and tagged photos will be set to only me, and only you will be able to access and see them. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.